Alright guys, so guess what? Today I have here a very exciting phone that I want to share. First look with you guys. This is sort of like just the preview. It's not really the full review. It's just a hands-on, and all I can show you all is actually the design. So I'm not allowed to do anything else, but I still want to share today's video nevertheless. So let's head over to the desk, right here, and let's check out this Realme GT7 Pro that's powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite. The first in Malaysia, by the way. First to land here in Malaysia. Let's check it out. Alright guys, so this here is the Realme GT7 Pro, and what we have here is the orange colorway. I heard that it's going to be called the Mars Exploration Edition, but I'm not too sure about that. So check out the design in closer detail, guys. There's a lot of waves going on at the back. It's very subtle, and I really like the look of this particular device. The color looks fantastic. It looks very gamer oriented, but I think it still looks fantastic. Now if you look over to the sides, we do have a flat frame over here. Now this is a matte material. Check that out. It feels excellent to hold in, and there's also tiny curves on the sides here, just so that it feels so much better in your hand. Now you might notice that we do have a huge camera cutout. Now clearly, because we're under embargo, I'm not supposed to talk about the cameras, but you can see we have a huge bump over here. You guys can comment down below what you think the camera combination is, but we do have that quite nicely set at the top. Now if we just power up the display, again I'm not supposed to tell you a lot of stuff here, but you can see that we do have a fairly nice display. There's already been some information online about what kind of display this is, but I must tell you that I love this display. It's fantastic, and obviously the most important point about this device here is that it's running the Snapdragon 8 Elite. Now this is going to be the first device to land in Malaysia with that chipset, so very much looking forward to it. I've been actually using this for, I think close to a week now. In fact, I've got my SIM card in here. You can see it's not really showing up there, but it's over here. So yeah, it works pretty well, and I'm actually very impressed with the kind of performance that we are getting here. Anyways, that's pretty much it for our very quick hands-on. Again, another quick look at the sides here. I love this matte bronze kind of look here. Fantastic. At the bottom, yeah, we forgot about that. We do have the SIM card tray, and at the top, it's a very clean kind of finish. But yeah, let me know what you guys want to know about the Realme GT7 Pro. I'm still testing this out. I know you guys want to know all about the benchmarks, the gaming, the camera, yada yada. But do let me know what your honest thoughts is about the Realme GT7 Pro. Alright guys, so there you have it, a very first look at the Realme GT7 Pro. Again, super excited for this to land here in Malaysia. It's coming really soon, and it's got like super strong processing and all that, so you guys should definitely look forward to this. If you haven't bought a phone, this year, last year, you might want to wait for the Realme GT7 Pro because it's a pretty cool device. With that said, thank you for watching today's video. Don't forget to check me out on my socials as well. It's where I share a ton of other stuff. Instagram. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Do take care, stay safe, and bye bye.